Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram add to story not showing up. Alright, so let's say you want to add story to your Instagram but you don't see the story button or anything over here. Then I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want this step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, scroll to the right side of your Instagram. So for those people who do not know, you don't see a story button over here. You just have to come to your home screen on Instagram, and once you're over here you need to swipe to the right like this. Once you swipe to the right, your camera is going to open up. Now from over here you can click a video or choose from your gallery. So I'm just going to click a random video over here of this Coke bottle. After you click on it, you can click on the arrow at the bottom, click on share, click on done, and it should be added. But let's say you swipe to the right but you don't see anything. Then the second way to add story to Instagram is click on the little profile picture at the bottom of your screen and click on the plus icon at the top of your screen over here right beside the three line and go on versus story. Now from over here you can choose the photo from your gallery, or you can even click a photo using your camera and upload it to your story. But let's say you don't see your story even after coming here, then it could be a glitch, because whichever phone or whichever device you're using, if you're using Instagram, you should be able to upload story. So if you don't see it, it might be a bug. So what you can do is close your Instagram, go on your phone setting, scroll a bit down and go on general and go on iPhone storage. Over here you want to find Instagram over here, so I'm going to try to find Instagram app over here real quick. So my Instagram is over here. I'm going to click on it, click on offload app, click on offload app. Once you offload your Instagram app, you can see a reinstall button over here, so wait for some time until it completes. Now click on reinstall app. Once your Instagram finishes reinstalling, try to go to your profile and find the plus button. You're going to see it, or try to swipe to the right and you can upload a story. And even after doing this, if you're still not finding it, then just delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. After deleting and reinstalling your Instagram, it should be fixed. Alright, so try to do that as well. So this is the way on how you guys can add story to your Instagram not showing up problem fixing. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, until then, stay safe and peace out.